Oh man, would you look at that? Bitcoin and crypto have had its best day in a very, very long time. I mean, look at Bitcoin. It is not stopping. Bitcoin is currently at $93,000. And this pump comes after months of downwards and sideways price action and a lot of unknowns with these tariffs. Now, it seems like the market reaction to the tariffs have finally started to settle down. I mean, it has to have to. There's headlines going around saying that the United States are slapping a 3,500% tariff on solar panels coming from Southeast Asia. That's a big number, but the markets are doing this. This is a result of seller exhaustion. The bears cannot sell anymore. They have no more to sell. And hopefully there's no more negative surprises under Trump's belt. But this was announced today also. Trump says that China tariffs will drop substantially, but it won't be zero. So maybe that's also playing a factor into why the markets are pumping today. Now, switching gears here a little bit, this is a good time to remind ourselves that buying the fear is usually a good time to buy, no matter how bad it may seem. I have been buying and DCAing into heavily over the past few weeks while the market has been in fear. Only DCAing into my long-term high conviction plays for now and letting the market decide on what it wants to do. But no risky plays. I'm just DCAing into strong alt plays unless it's a quick in and out swing trade and I'm buying up blue chips and accumulating as much as possible at these prices. Game plan hasn't changed. It's the same as the previous 5 videos. I'm completely out of risky plays. I may jump into a quick in and out swing trade and I am DCAing into crypto blue chip. And this is something that I have been preaching in my videos. Now, like I said in the videos, I jumped into some swing trades, but I already sold off and took some money off of the table into this pump because more than likely it's coming back down. This was definitely a short squeeze and Bitcoin is at very heavy resistance levels. And usually when something comes up this fast, it usually corrects back down a little bit at least. Also, this just in, the crypto fear and greed index after today's pump is now all the way back in greed already. So that's not a good sign. But congrats if you've been buying the past few weeks. And I think it may be time to start posting about potential projects that are looking very juicy on the chart. Of course, not financial advice. Like and follow to stay updated. I'll see you guys in the next one.